Hi, boys and girls. Today is Mother's Day, so I'm reading the story about It's Mother's Day. So I hope you enjoy it. You can watch it with your mom. Mother's Day. It is Mother's Day. I love my mom. We celebrate Mother's Day in May. We show mom how much we care. Special gifts. We pick out a special card for mom. I make one myself. Hopefully you had a chance to do that for your mom. Make something for her. We get mom a gift. We make art for her too. I pick out flowers for mom. We put them in a vase. A special day. We let mom sleep late. We bring her breakfast in bed. Not always, but sometimes people do that. We spend the day with mom. That's the most important. We have a picnic in the park or in your own backyard, or just get together, just hang out with your mom and do fun things. We help mom. We do chores. Moms always love that. We visit grandmothers and aunts. Not this time, but do you celebrate Mother's Day? I'm sure you will do something. You can maybe Zoom with your grandparents or grandmas and aunts. Maybe you could call them and talk to them and let them know how much you care about them. And that is the end. In the back of this book, they have a craft for doing a picture frame, but you have so many projects. If you look on Seesaw, there are many, many projects you could do on there. You could choose one and make it for your mom. She would love it. Just remember to take a picture and send it to me so I can see all your wonderful things that you did for your mom. Happy Mother's Day. See you next time.